In this segment, we're going to learn how to send an email and with carbon copy and a blind carbon copy. So first things, we're going to click on the Compose button in the top left corner. You'll notice in the message, there is the two, and over on the far right side, there's CC and BCC. So CC is a carbon copy, and BCC is a blind carbon copy. What's the difference, you say? Well, a carbon copy, if you send something carbon copy, then the person who you send it to will also see that you are carbon copying that person. So if you're sending a note to a coworker and you're going to carbon copy your boss, both people will be able to see the email. So all we could have to do is click the CC. You'll notice that now we have the two and we have the carbon copy. Also, the BCC is still over on the right-hand side. I'm going to click on the BCC, and now we've added 3 lines, so we can send different people the same email. So a blind carbon copy means that if I send it to Joe Blow up at the top, and I'm carbon copying my boss, and I'm going to BCC another coworker, nobody else is going to see the BCC. It's blind carbon copy, so no one will see that it has been sent to that person. So we're going to click the first one. So I'm going to type in an email, and if you want a carbon copy, you just click beside the CC, and we type in another email, and you'll see that they're coming up. And if you want to add a BCC, then you just click beside it, and we will put that in as well. So now there's 3 different emails going. So everyone's going to see who it's to. Cheryl Sampson here will see that it went to Programs and the Caledon Senior Center, but the programs will not see that it went to Cheryl. So we're going to click on the subject. And then below, you're going to type in your message. And when you send it, it is gone.